In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes to your Google Docs using the drawing tool, and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. This is incredibly useful for anyone looking to enhance their documents with visual elements. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll begin by opening the Google Doc that you want to work with. Make sure you've selected the document where you want to add your shape, as this will be the canvas for your creative work. Once you have your document open, you'll be ready to start the process of incorporating new shapes. Now, to access the drawing tool, look towards the top of your document screen. You'll need to click on Insert in the menu bar. From there, a drop-down will appear, and you'll want to hover over Drawing. Once you do, you'll see an option labeled Plus New. Select this to open up the drawing canvas. This canvas is your workspace for creating shapes, and it provides a lot of flexibility and creativity. With the drawing window now open, your next task is to add a shape. To do this, look for an icon that resembles a circle overlapping a square. This is the shape's icon, and clicking it will present you with a drop-down menu filled with various shape categories. You have a plethora of options to choose from, such as basic shapes, arrows, callouts, and even flowchart components. Each category serves a different purpose, so think about what best fits the needs of your document. Once you've decided on a category and selected a shape, the fun part begins. Click and drag your mouse across the canvas to draw your chosen shape to the desired size. This step is quite intuitive. Dragging your cursor adjusts the dimensions of the shape until it looks just right. When you're satisfied with your shape, it's time to save and insert it into your document. To do this, simply navigate to the top right corner of the drawing window and click the Save and Close button. This action finalizes your drawing, and you'll see it appear directly in your Google Doc. Congratulations, you've successfully inserted a shape. Adding shapes can make a huge difference in making your document more engaging, whether you're drafting a report with flowcharts, creating engaging presentations with callouts, or simply making your content visually appealing. With a little practice, you'll be able to enhance your documents in no time. Thanks for following along, and I hope this has made the process clear and easy to follow. Happy creating!